Hi, I'm Pilar Guillen, production engineer at Azur Drones, and I'm going to introduce you to our factory. Follow me. We are here in the main area of our factory, which is 300 square meters. This is where Skytech stations are assembled and where we manage our production and stock. The whole production process was built to ensure the highest levels of quality. Everything is controlled from the parts reception to the end of the production process. This is our stock. Everything that comes in and goes out the stock is tracked in our dedicated production software called Computer Assisted Production Management Tool, or CAPM. The CAPM system allows us to have a precise follow-up of our stock according to the progress of the production, the purchases and the deliveries. It helps us to anticipate shortages and better plan our production on a weekly and daily basis. It also allows us to ensure a very good product traceability during product production, but also during its in-service life. Skytech stations are entirely assembled here by our technicians following Skytech assembly instructions. All production steps are accurately documented. Here is where we manufacture the drones. This space is dedicated exclusively to production. All research and development operations are carried out in another workshop to ensure proper batch segregation and focus on quality. We carry out here the complete assembly of our drones, including mechanical parts assembly, electronic integration, cabling, and sensor integration. Drone sub-assemblies are tested at different stages of production. We have developed tailor-made test and calibration benches to accelerate and consolidate those validations. We follow up all the production steps and tests in a quality book for each drone. At the end of the production process, every system is checked and validated by the production manager. Drones are then tested in our test field before being delivered to the customers. We will be very happy to welcome you to visit our facilities whenever you want. Thank you very much.